Today's tree genus which I am going to discuss is the Malotus. Malotus philippinensis is very common Indian tree, commonly called as kum tree because its red fruit powder was earlier used as kum, red color. It is also known as Rotulera tree because it also provides us coloring phytochemical rotulerene, and this particular tree is also known as Rohini, even Sinduriya, because earlier the women were used to have its red fruit powder as sindoor. This particular tree also finds mention in Ramayana. Malotus philippinensis is also known as red kamla. In Dogri we call it as Kamila or Kamla, but Sanskrit name is Kampilak. And from Kampilak we have the local Dogri name Kamila or Kamla. This particular tree was earlier named as Rotulera tinctoria because of its yellow color which used to get from fruits. So this particular color was also used to dye the wool and silk. Its under surfaces of the leaves, they are red gland dotted. This is another characteristic feature to know the Malotus. We have the South Indian and Northeast Indian another species very similar to Malotus, which is called as Makaranga. But in Makaranga we have the yellow glands, whereas in Malotus philippinensis we find the red glands. Another feature is female flower style is branched in case of Malotus, but unbranched in case of Makaranga. And Makaranga peltata is very common in South India. There is another species which is also found in Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, which is called as Trivia nudiflora. Here the leaves are opposite and they are cordate ovate, but presently it is also put under the genus Malotus under the name Malotus nudiflorus. And when we call it as Malotus nudiflorus, that reflects that it is the plant which is known locally by many names. In Nepali it is called a gurer, in Hindi, in UP we call it as gutel. It is having the greyish white bark, so it is also known as false white teak. The wood is used in drums, in making toys. Its leaves are opposite. But even in the Malotus, we find many species where we have the opposite leaves. For example, the Madagascar African species Malotus oppositifolius. This is vulnerable species and it has the opposite leaves, and it's also antifungal, and two new bioactive dimeric fluoroglucinols stands isolated from the tree bark, which have been named as Malatojaponins A, B and C, and Malatophenone, which is reported to be antiplasmodial in action. But in case of Malotus nudiflorus, we have many names. Even in Sanskrit it is known as Pindar, Hindi Pindalu or Pindar, Marathi language Petari. In Tamil it is called as Arupu Varachu. In Malayalam it is called as Nirkatam. Bengali it is called as Pitali. In Konkani Bombaro. And here the female flowers, they are born singly. They are solitary female flowers. As is the routine or usual feature of Malotus genus, the trees are dioecious. Male and female trees grow separately, and unisexual flowers, male flowers on male tree, female flowers on the female tree. In case of our Malotus philippinensis, which we call as Camilla, a particular type of bird, a dove, which is called as Rufous oriented turtle dove, also called as Canuli or Kalmua. That bird is reported to have great fascination for eating the fruits of Malotus philippinensis in Jammu region. So another species which we find under the genus Malotus is Malotus raminiifolius. The tree having the raminus-like leaves. Raminus is known as buckthorn, so buckthorn-leaved kamla. This is also found in Western Ghats in South India. But here leaves are almost subopposite or opposite decusate. And secondary nerves are six-paired. Flowers grow in axillary spikes. And in case of raminiifolius, even the local Malayalam name is P. zeroponagam. In Tamil it is called as Marai Yerdiyam. Telugu Konda Kumkumu. Konda Kumkumu. And in Sinhali, Sri Lanka also this tree is found, Malotus raminiifolius. And in Lanka it is known as Bullu Hullu Kepattia. Another green kamala tree that is also under Malotus, but species is Claoxylidis because of smell resembling another plant, Claoxylon, under the U4VSE. And in green kamala tree is also known as odor bush because of this prominent smell. Smell of the bush is very diagnostic feature too. And this particular tree has the opposite leaves. But this is reported to growing in Australian continent. And some say the odor is good, aromatic, and others compare it as a bad smell, as we find in case of skunk. Another species which we find in India is the rusty kamala. This is found in tropical wet evergreen forests in South India. It is also found in Sri Lanka, it's in Bhutan, Bangladesh, Thailand, China. It was earlier known as Malotus ferrugineus, but now it is called a Tetracoccus. In Malayalam language it is called Vatta or Thavatta or Porivatta. In Kannada it is called Opale Mara. In Bengali language it is called Marlea. Here the branchlets are tawny tomentose with stellate hairs and rusty lepidode scales present. Leaves are alternate. And they are larger in size, 8 to 25 centimeter they grow. And even there is a peltate kind of petiole lamina attachment. And they are dioecious. Flowers are borne in panicles. They are not in racemes, but they are borne in branched panicles. And tepals are also seen, present in male and female. Flowers, ovary is four-locular. In our Malotus philippinensis, it is trilocular. But here it is four-locular and seeds are blackish. It is usually found growing in Shevaroy Hills and Kolimalai Hills in South India. This particular genus, Malotus, is also known for a unique climbing liana. Only liana under the genus Malotus is Malotus rependus. It is also known as triangular leaved Malotus. It is reported to be growing in Tripura, Assam, Sikkim, even in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Odisha, Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. And its wood finds use in the making of a musical instrument, xylophone, in Indonesia, for charcoal making in Cambodia, for the treatment of liver poisoning and herpes and inflammation in Thailand. This grows up to 5 to 10 meter, but it's a liana climbing shrub. Branchlets are yellowish brown. This is also reported to be growing in Queensland, Australia, New Caledonia, China, Taiwan. Its blaze is peculiar in having the odor of peas, Pisum sativum. If we make a cut in the stem, the odor will be resembling that of peas, Pisum sativum. Its leaves are a bit broader and they are peltate. but it is very near to Melotus philippinensis, which we find in Jammu. But it grows near mangrove swampy areas. And one particular andal-kandal or dodder bale, Cuscuta japonica, has also been reported to grow on Melotus repandus. Math Acrosarcops zophyrandrae is also supposed to use its leaves as food. And fungus, a peculiar Cercospora fungus found on Melotus repandus is Cercospora meloti. But this particular Melotus repandus, which is growing worldwide, is absent from Borneo. We also have the Melotus, which is useful. This particular philippinensis, our Kamala tree, which we find in Jammu as kumkum tree or monkey face tree, it is also useful in expelling the tapeworms intestinal infestation as anthelmintic. It is also used in Ayurveda for the treatment of worm infestation. It is also useful in skin treatment, in eye diseases, bronchitis, for the treatment of enlarged spleen, even coloring silk and wool. Fresh seeds, they germinate well. The yellow dye has the rotellarine, which is also supposed to be useful in potassium channel conductance as potassium channel opener. Rotellarine is basically a kind of melotoxin, polyphenol, which has the pharmacological uses also. Antioxidant properties of rotellarine or melotoxin are well known. Another vulnerable Melotus reported from Tamil Nadu is endemic to that area. It is called Melotus atrovirens. Here the leaves are both. They are opposite as well as alternate, and this is also reported from Sri Lanka. But the Sri Lankan species is basically another species, Melotus distans, where the leaves are opposite as well as alternate, and it is reported from India, South India as well as Sri Lanka. Another species is Melotus eriocarpus, which is endemic to Sri Lanka. Another vulnerable species reported from Sri Lanka is Melotus fuscescens. We have very peculiar species found in China, Japan, Korea, which is called as Melotus japonicus, also known as East Asian Melotus. It is also known as food wrapper plant because its large leaves are used for wrapping the food stuff. This particular tree was named in 1865, and again nomenclature was verified in the year 2015. Here the particular kind of insect, Geotilia heptadata, its larvae feed on its leaves, and because its leaves are used for wrapping the food, it is also called as a wrapping tree, a wrapping food tree. Leaves are edible. After boiling, they are used as cuisine also. The young shoots are red colored. Bark has found use in the folk healing for the treatment of gastric ulcers, duodenal ulcers, even for the treatment of hyperacidity, and also as anthelmintic. Extrafloral nectaries are present which act as food bodies for the ants, so ants are attracted. It's reported to have the phytochemicals like berganin, and fruit pericarp also has the melatophenone, melatosaponin, and melatochromin and melatocyanin. The flowers are yellow, petioles are red, and leaves are shining green. This particular genus Melotus has very good representation even in Queensland, Australia. One species which we see in Queensland is yellow kamla tree, Melotus discolor, because of the fruit yellow color, so it is known as yellow kamla. Leaves are narrower in comparison to our Melotus philippinensis. It grows up to 12 meter tall, and the leaves have two colors. Upper surface is green, lowest one lower surface, under surface is grayish, so it is called as Melilotus discolor, yellow kamla. Wildlife is also supported by this Melilotus. For example, a green cat bird, Ailuroides crassirostris, is very fond of eating its fruits. And another bird, a Lewin's honey eater, Meliphaga lewini, also uses it as food. And another is this particular bird, also known as Lewin's honey eater, also eats the grevillea flowers. And this particular bird has been named after an Australian artist, John Lewin. Another species which is found from Queensland, Australia is Melilotus ficifolius, fig-leaved Melilotus. It is found in rainforest and it grows 2 to 3 meters tall. Flowers are yellow. Another species reported from Queensland, Australia is Melilotus mollissimus. Here leaves, they look like Melina arborea leaves. So we see the very unique plant tree genus Melilotus, which is well represented in India, and many vulnerable and endemic species are found in South India. For example, Melilotus atrovirens is very endemic to Tamil Nadu, and we have the climbing lion also as Melilotus, it is called as Melilotus rependus. Then we have the buckthorn thorn-leaved kamla also, Ramnifolius. Then earlier the tree was Trivia nudiflora. Presently that is also a kind of Melilotus, Melilotus nudiflorus. Another species reported from India is Tetracoccus. But the folklore, rich folklore and mentioned in Ramayana, and the most familiar common plant is Rohini or Sindhuria, Kumkum tree, Rotilara tree, which is finds mention even in the great epic Ramayana.